In this video, I'm going to share with you 5 of the most useful words that you need to know in the Irish language. These are 5 words that I hear a lot on Irish language television and on Radio na Gaeltachta, which is the Irish language radio station. They're not necessarily the most popular or the most poetic words, but I do find them coming up time and time again, especially the last word that I'll be saying here on my list, so stay tuned till the end to hear that one. If you would like to listen to more Irish language radio, then why not download the RTE radio player app, and using the menu here in the top right, scroll across to Radio na Gaeltachta, a really wonderful resource to help you listen to fluent Irish speakers on the radio. Anyway, back to this video. Our first word, caidán. Caidán, that means quality. Ard caidán is high quality. Ard caidán. Tá an caidán tar éis titim. The quality has decreased. Tá an caidán tar éis titim. Our next word is béim. Béim is emphasis. Béim. Béim mhór, a big emphasis. Béim mhór. Chuir sí béim hábhacht na rúndáchta. She put emphasis on the importance of confidentiality. Chuir sí béim hábhacht na rúndáchta. Our next word is the Irish word for border, which is toran. Toran. Toran an Tuaisceart, the northern border. Toran an Tuaisceart. Thiomáin sé thar an toran. He drove across the border. Thiomáin sé thar an toran. Next we have Manin. Manin is the Irish word for confidence. Manin. Féin bhuinín is self-confidence. Féin bhuinín. Tá muín agam asat. I have confidence in you, or I have faith in you. Tá muín agam asat. And next we have probably what is the most popular word I hear on radio and television, and that is Diarrhea. Diarrhea. So that means seriously, it can mean genuinely or actually. Diarrhea. You could also say Annoy, which is the same thing, it's just a different way of saying it. Diarrhea or Annoy, it's all the same. Ach Annoy, but seriously, ach Annoy. Cheap mé diarrhea go raibh sé mícheart. I genuinely thought it was wrong. Cheap mé diarrhea go raibh sé mícheart. So if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and let me know in the comment section some of your own phrases that you can use with some of these 5 words. Thanks for watching. Slán tamil.